Hey guys, just a very quick short video. I want to show you this view in a minute, but I want to talk about grass types and why we choose whatever type of grass we choose. So this lawn, customer's lawn, scarified 5 days ago. Now you might think it looks horrific, but I think this looks great because I know that in a month, 6 weeks, it's going to look absolutely fantastic once again. And it normally is a really nice, beautiful, green, thick, lush lawn. But while I'm here, let me show you the view. This is on the same street as another one we do down the bottom. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a fantastic location. I would move here in a heartbeat. So anyway, we have grass seeds that creep and we have grass seeds that don't. The ones that creep, they produce little runners that come across the surface of the ground, and they will creep along as they grow and grow new grass shoots and push new roots down, effectively creating like new daughter plants. And most grasses have those in. That is why if you scarify, it will recover in about 6 weeks. There's a few types of grass which don't do that, and that's like dwarf ryegrasses, which don't creep. And basically, they do look lusher and darker green, the dwarf ryegrasses, but they don't creep. Although I think there are some varieties now being bred which do, which we tried to have a look at last year, but we didn't really get anywhere with it. So the point is, most seeds, including general amenity seeds, will have an element of creeping. So don't be afraid to scarify. It will look rough, but it will come back. You just have to water it well for about 4 or 6 weeks, fertilise it, and it'll be as good as gold once again. Mr. Sunshine's coming out. Cannot fault this at all. You have to capture these little moments in your life, don't you? And this is one of those little moments. When I come to these properties, I always spend a minute just gazing out. Anyway, have a wonderful day. Catch you on the next one.